Hello marketers, my name is Leon, and today I am launching PayPal Social Proof. It is a plugin that will display customers that have recently purchased your product. Here's an example. As you can see, this pop-up here on the bottom left, it shows the customer recently purchased PayPal Social Proof and 9 minutes ago. So this plugin will automatically collect new customers and display them in these pop-ups, which you can customize, and this increases conversions because it motivates your visitors, showing them that other people have just bought your products. And this works on mobile phones, browsers, tablets as well. This pop-up here, you need WordPress to activate this plugin, but you can add this pop-up code to any WordPress post, pages, or outside of WordPress. And here are some features. It's super easy to use, and it works with PayPal IPN. Instant notification from PayPal goes directly to this plugin, and it collects your customer list and displays them here. You can also manually add or change customer details, and once again you can add this pop-up code to external pages outside of WordPress, such as HTML, PHP pages. And these pop-ups cannot be blocked by pop-up blockers, and you can customize the icon image here, the text colors and border colors, and you can set the time to show this pop-up, and you can also repeat the pop-ups. And it works with warriorplus and jvzoo. If you sell information products, then this is a must-have plugin to motivate your visitors into becoming customers, especially if you sell at warriorplus and jvzoo. And here are the examples again of the pop-ups. So let's move on to how to set up this plugin. And after you have activated the plugin, here it is. And once you click on it, you can see all these other options. You can view your products, all your products that you have listed. You can add a new product. You can view your customers. You can add new customers, and you can also edit customer details like their names, setting, getting the pop-up codes, and what you need to add to your PayPal IPN. So first, let's add a new product. And to make this work, you need to add in the product name exactly as it is seen inside of your product listing at warriorplus or at jvzoo. So you want to add the product name exactly as it appears, or you can add parts of it, but make sure you copy exactly as is with the uppercase and lowercase is very important. So let me copy just this part. So you want to just copy and paste to make sure everything is exactly as it is. Then simply click publish to save this new product. And there it is, it's published. And now you can view all of your products here. And customers, you can view the customers here. And this will automatically get added via the PayPal instant notifications. Anytime a customer purchases one of your products and it matches the product names, it'll get added here. As you can see, these are just some examples. PayPal Social Proof product name, and we got 3 customers here for this product. And you can also add new customers. Simply add in their name, and you can select which product this customer belongs to, and you can provide a country if you like, and then click publish to save this customer. Let's go over to the settings. So these are the images icons that you see here, and you can use the default ones or you can change if you like. You can set a minimum requirement for a number of customers that have ordered before showing these pop-ups if you like. And here, get codes. This is where you select your product to get the pop-up codes to display the customers pop-ups. All you have to do is select, you want a full footer kind of banner pop-up or a full header, which is at the top or the corner bottom left. So I usually like the corner bottom left, or you can use upper right, left, up to you. And you can set the start time. I usually leave it at 10 seconds. So once a customer arrives at your sales page, after 10 seconds, these pop-ups will start showing. You can select the pop-up text color and the border color if you like, and the durations of each of the pop-ups. So here's a pop-up and it can last for 5 seconds. I usually do about 25 seconds to show this before it closes by itself. Right here it closes, and then it will change to the next customer that I purchased. And you can set time between each of the pop-ups. So customer A buys, and then it'll show up for 25 seconds, and after that it closes, and then it'll wait 15 seconds before the next customer pop-up appears. And sometimes it can show these kinds too, where it shows you the traffic data and the total people have purchased. So that's up to you, you can decide, but usually I do 10 seconds start time, 25 for duration, and between 5 to 15 in between pop-ups. And then once you're satisfied with the options, click on get code, and now you can use this code as a short code. You can add this to your WordPress post. So let me show you how that looks. Here is an example of a new post, and once you have your sales text here, you can paste in your short code as is right here into your post or page. So let's publish this example and see how that looks. So my code is set at 10 seconds start time. And there it is, it shows up right there. And then it'll go for the duration of the set time, and then it'll close and then navigate and then change to the next customer. The visitor can always close a pop-up like that. So that is an example with the short code, and now you can add it to any page, PHP, HTML, with this JavaScript right here. So here I have the codes for my sales page. It is simple HTML, and I can paste in this code at the bottom just like that, and then simply save and upload, and then it will appear in my sales page just like this. And now let's move on to the last part, the documentation. Really, this is just showing you a link that you can copy. You need to add this to your PayPal IPN. So here's the link, you got to copy this, and let's go to PayPal. Once you're logged into your PayPal, click on this settings icon here to arrive at this page, and then go to under business profile right here, go to notifications, and once you're at the notification page, instant payment notification is the IPN. All you have to do is click on the update or add. So now you can add in your IPN URL as seen here. Make sure it is enabled and then click on save. For those that don't use IPNs for PayPal. You can add in your customers manually if you want. It's up to you. And you can always edit your customers at any time. So that is the rundown of the PayPal social proof plugin. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for checking it out. And if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Once again, my name is Leon. Thanks for checking out my plugin. And until next time, happy marketing.